Hi, lovely to have you here. My name is Michael. Welcome to the channel. This is going to be an unboxing video. It's actually our first video for the channel, so I hope you enjoy it. This is the unboxing video of the DJI Mic Mini, which comes with one receiver and two transceivers. So it says here wireless microphone, and of course it's a brand new unit, so we'll be unboxing it. These are the features of the unit. It's got some apps there we can download. We won't be going through that in this video. And so let's unbox. Oh, okay. Okay, so what we see here, it looks like a pouch. Likely the unit will be inside here, or the unit itself. Actually, before we do that, this is just the instruction manual. Not sure what this is, but we can open it up to take a look. Looks like some sort of stickers, yes. Gives you a series of stickers. Interesting stickers. This will most probably be the warranty information, if you can read the small print. And of course the manual. And safety guidelines. But for the most important part, the unboxing of the unit. Nice little carry case. Pouch. And the components inside. So that's the anti-gel. Yeah, here you've got little pouches and another zipper. These are things you can store, so any of the additional cables that you need, instead of keeping them in these things, you just put them in the pouches. So what do you get in this one? So what we got here, this is for the camera, an audio cable for the camera, if you buy a camera. And this one here is the USB-A to USB-C connector. This is usually a charging cable. Let's see what we got here. This is what's called the wind covers. So each of them has little seats that you can mount onto the unit when we open that. Just different colored ones. And now let's open the unit itself. That one's a lot easier to open than the others. Wow, that looks quite nice. Nice and small too, so we remove this, put it away. Straight away as you open it up, you see the lights there. It shows it's got 3 bars out of the 4 that are charged. And that's how small the unit is, very, very tiny. That's why they call it the Mini. And on that unit, you've got the on and off switch. This is the linking button. This is a little clip that you can use to clip onto your shirt. This one is where you put, this is the actual microphone, and this is where you actually put the one of these. So we can clip it on. It looks like it only goes on one way, like that. Quite easy. Wonder if you can put it back and close it up. Yes, you can. That's nice and handy. So this is the other mic. You'll find as soon as you pull them out, okay, they're magnetic, they get attracted, so they do sync automatically as soon as you pull them out. And this one here is the receiver. And this is where, if you had a camera, you can plug in the audio cable from here into your camera. These two show that the mics are connected. So mic 1 is connected and mic 2 is connected. And it's saying it's receiving, the RX is flashing. And what we see here is the gain. So you got -6, -12, 0, +6, +12. And it's also a clip-on unit if you need it to be clipped. And this one here is for the USB. Now this one here, this little unit, this is where you get this dongle right here. And this dongle fits into here. If I can put it on in the right way, maybe this way. No, it does go on this way. Like that. And you can attach that to the bottom of your phone. And when you attach it to the bottom of your phone, you can actually record straight onto your phone. And of course you get an application, whether it's an Android app, yeah, we can test it on here. Just like that. And of course you can have an Android app or a Apple iPhone app. But quite a handy little unit. I wonder if you can put it back in with that attached. There you go. You can put it back in with that attached. This only goes on one way, which is, you've got the two clips here. And that goes on like that and clips on. Very simple. How handy is that? Very easy to carry around. And again, you can put that into the actual pouch. Just like that. And any of these additional cables, we can use the little pouch sockets, little pouches there, just to put these cables in, or straight into there. These guys into there, and that little cover which came from that little unit underneath the bottom, straight into there. A nice little carry pouch. And because it's so easy and convenient to carry around, you can just leave it in your car or anywhere where you go. Just carry it with you. Very good unboxing experience. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that. Please hit the subscribe button below if you'd like to see more of this content, and we'll see you next time.